So let's take a look at counting some areas, taking off some areas and doing some counts. We have our legend in this little pop-out. Let's go ahead and do the Muhlenbergia. And what I want to do is just go ahead and click on it and then zoom into the plant symbol. Now you can see that it's kind of not scaled or any of that stuff. So what I'm going to do is click on right click on it, and then I'm going to make it scaled, and we're going to increase the size here. And this is a nice feature, real nice feature that you can do it live. Because I remember some of the other softwares you couldn't do that, and I really like this. Also, you have the option of the transparency right there on the screen, as far as how opaque, or, full or less. I like to leave it kind of so you can see through. Anyway, so once I hit that, I can hit save and just keep counting. If you make a mistake, you can hit backspace. So we won't bore you with that, but it's pretty darn cool. If I hit escape, okay, it won't count anymore, but if I click on one of them and hit the letter N for new, I can go ahead and start counting again. Okay, so you can see we've got 13 already. And I'll stop this with an escape, but now I want to do an area. Let's do some soil prep area. I don't have a legend for that yet, so I'm just going to do a new takeoff. And let's call it a soil prep area. And we're going to make it sloped just for demonstration purposes. And we'll make it 3:1. And what we want to do too is I'm going to change the color, and we are ready to start taking off the soil prep area. Now, this has a really nice function as far as like arcs. If you don't want to go click, 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 you can just hit the A button, and you can see it says click arc midpoint. And so that's my arc midpoint, and we'll go ahead and do another one here. And just kind of work through. I won't bore you guys with all of this. Again, if you make a mistake on one of your points, you can hit backspace. If you want to pan, you just right click and pan. And just kind of take it all the way out to the edge here. And go back, double click, and you're done. And we have taken off, oh gosh, we'd have to look at this. Looks like down here 9,000 square feet with the slope. So anyways, that's it. If I want to go ahead and hit escape or start a new takeoff again, let me hit escape, and then if I click on it, hit N, I can start counting again. Okay, so you get the picture. It's very fluid, wonderful, just fantastic, easy to use. It's kind of addicting, honestly. Anyways, so thanks for watching. I'll go ahead and stop the video now and just kind of keep counting stuff as I go here.